First thing I'd like to talk about is a little AI feature we've added to the fact finders. If I add an identification section, you will notice something new. We have this button called Data Extraction. If the client or prospect uploads an image of their driver's license or passport, then our AI extraction tool will actually take information off that image to fill out the accompanying fields for them. Let me show you what that looks like from the client or prospect end in preview mode. So they would specify an ID type. In this current release, we're just supporting driver's license and passport for now, so they want to pick one of those. Then they click this button. They'd be prompted to upload an image from their device, and then our AI tool would pull information off that image to use to populate the fields in this section. Another highly requested feature, we've added a new section called Net Worth, which is kind of what it sounds like. On the client prospect end, if you add this into your fact finder, there will be a button that says Add Account, and that will let your client or prospect add in information about their accounts, so that their assets and liabilities can show in their portal. Another new development in the Fact Finder is the ability to create custom fields within your Fact Finder templates. You may recall how previously, whenever you went to Custom under Field, you were simply able to select a custom field you'd already made elsewhere. But now, if you click one of the plus buttons we have here, you're able to create a custom field on the spot, which will then be added to fact finders as an option going forward. So, for example, and now I have a custom field that I can add to any of my fact finders. Last thing I'd like to mention about the fact finder is we've added a print button for your templates. So if back in my list of templates here, if I click on preview, we now have this little print button right up here. So what the printed fact finder will actually have in it depends on what you have selected. So if you have a preview or sample client or prospect selected, then this will print out blank. If you have an actual client or prospect selected and they've filled out your fact finder, then what you're going to be printing is everything that client or prospect has provided.